have that cigarette?
No. I'm smoking me for a second.
Sis, are you done smoking?
What?
Are you done smoking? Are you done drinking?
Hey, you
Hey.
want to smoke me for a time?
Hey.
No.
Are you done?
No. He wants to talk to me some more. So fuck you. Hey.
I love you.
Hey, me time for you.
Oh my god.
Hey, I spent me time for you. Hey. You want to talk for a second?
Are you done drinking?
What?
Are you all done drinking?
No.
No?
I see. Fucking pour me a shot because...
You're done smoking, right?
No. What?
Are you done smoking?
Who are you?
Who are you?
My name's Jen.
My name's Christy. I'm your sister.
Ew.
Oh.
Hey. Hey.
Hey.
What happened to Sicko's though?
What happened to what?
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 Hey.
What are you talking about?
Oh. Hold a second. We're going forward. Back up a second.
Back up a second. You smoking that weed?
What's them amber lamps for?
Amber lamps?
Yeah, amber lamps.
Jen.
What?
Were you smoking that weed?
No. I know what you're talking about.
You don't know what I'm talking about?
No.
You remember hitting that bowl?
I'm good smoke.
You're gonna burn me in the face.
No. Oh shit.
Oh shit.
Oh shit.
Oh shit.
Oh, I'm sleeping.
You're sleeping?
Wait a second.
Wait a second.
Where's the lighter?
The lighter? You don't need a lighter. Your cigarette's been lit for like the past 10 minutes.
I'm gonna flip flop.
You're gonna what?
I'm gonna